Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
How are you, Athira?
I'm fine, and how about you?
I'm also good. Thank you for asking. And today's topic is birds, I think, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Do you like birds, Athira?
Yes, I like
Okay. Why do you like why do you like birds?
because mostly birds are not hurt humans, and they are very cute.
Oh,
So
okay. And what is your favorite bird?
I like all birds, but I like parrot.
Parrot.
Yes.
Okay. And why do you like parrot?
It was very beautiful, and it was talk to humans.
Okay. And can you name some birds that you have seen?
I saw parrot, pigeon, crow,
Okay.
that.
Bat.
Yes. In sometimes I saw eagle.
Eagle as well. Okay. And name any 5 birds that you almost see every day.
I saw parrot, pigeon, and crow.
Parrot, pigeon, and crow.
Yes.
Okay. Only 3?
Yes. In my class, there is a window. That's crow outside of the window. I saw that every day.
Oh. Okay. And what do you think that in which color the birds look most beautiful?
What?
In which color birds look most beautiful?
I think in white color.
Okay. Why white?
White looks very clean and hygiene. And it was also very beautiful. So,
Right. And if you could fly like a bird, where would you like to go?
I like to go. I like to go world tour. I fly everywhere.
Oh, okay. And do you think birds can talk?
Yes, parrot can talk.
Okay, but do you think that birds can talk to each other?
Yes.
What do they say? And how do they say?
In my old tuition, there is a parrot. They talk to my tuition miss and me.
Oh.
But in first time, I can't understand. But after some days, I can understand what the parrot was saying. And it was talking in Tamil.
Oh, in Tamil?
Yes.
Amazing.
Thanks.
And where do birds live?
Mostly birds are living in trees, forests, like that.
And they also have their own home as well.
Yes.
What is that?
Net.
Yeah, nest. And what is your opinion about do you think that by destroying or by cutting the trees we are cutting and we are destroying the home of birds?
Yes.
Okay, how?
If they cut the trees, the birds are homeless, and the animals also want trees. Humans also want trees to breathe and eat fruits,
Right.
but humans are cut and destroy the forest and trees.
Right. And what we can do, what we should do.
We should not cut trees
Okay.
because everyone wants trees to live, eat, and breathe. Mostly animals and birds are living under the tree, and birds are living up.
Right. And
So,
yes. And it is one of the most, I think it's the most important thing. The trees are very important.
yes,
Yeah. It's not only important, it's essential for us to live.
yes.
Right. So, tell me that, what is your opinion? How we can stop destroying trees and what we should do?
We should avoid to cut the trees,
Okay.
and we should save trees by pour water in the trees.
Right. Right.
Trees are very helpful to live. If there is no trees, we can't breathe.
Exactly. And we should plant also more trees.
Yes, yes.
Yeah. And have you ever seen a nest in real life?
I saw a nest in a tree near my home.
Oh. And how was that?
It was good, and there is a small eggs in that nest.
Oh.
I saw that.
Oh. Okay.
Then I'm very happy. But they are cut the tree.
Oh.
So the nest and the eggs are broken.
That's very bad.
Yes.
And if you were a bird, what kind of nest would you make?
If I am a bird,
Yes.
I would make one safe nest, in steel.
Oh. Steel.
Yes.
Okay. So that would be too strong.
Yes.
Yeah. And what do you think? What do birds dream about?
So I think someone killed the birds,
Hmm.
and birds' dreams are anyone don't kill them, and sometimes one snake is come and take their egg.
Oh.
That don't do that, and don't cut trees. That
Yeah. Like they dream about I think they dream about the most happiest environment, the most beautiful environment.
yes.
Yeah. And also, can you say any three ways or any three ways that we as a human hurt birds, that we do and that is hurtful and painful for the birds?
When humans are cut the trees, the bird's nest also fall down and the eggs are broken.
Right.
That hurt the birds. And some humans are shoot or throw stones off the birds.
Right.
that. And that.
And also, when we make noise, like when we shoot or any, like when we burst crackers
Yes.
or when we shoot a gun or something, they got so afraid.
Yes.
Yeah, I have seen that in like nights when it was Diwali. So people were cracking, and they were cracking
Yes.
the crackers and all, bursting the crackers and all. So at that time
Yes.
the birds were like, they got afraid, and
Yes.
they were moving to one place to another place, one tree to another tree. I was
Yes.
so like, I thought like we are disturbing them and we should not do that.
Yes.
Yeah, that is also in midnight.
In midnight.
Yeah. After.
But in midnight, all are sleeping only, isn't it?
No.
But why they burn crackers?
Here, here people burst crackers at night, like 2 a.m., 3 a.m., like that.
That time they are sleeping.
Yeah. And they get disturbed. And do you know any bird that cannot fly?
But I think all the birds can fly.
There is one bird, I think, that I know. Ostrich cannot fly.
I don't know. I thought ostrich can fly.
No, ostrich cannot fly.
Okay.
And do you know that penguin is also a bird?
Yes.
Oh, you know that?
Yes, I know. It was live in one place that is also very cool winter season there.
Yeah, and don't you think it's strange that it's a bird?
But I don't know if it's a bird or not, because it is not like a bird.
Yeah, it doesn't look like a bird.
Yes, but in my teacher said it was a bird.
Oh. Yeah, I also read that somewhere, and I thought, okay, penguin is a bird, but it is also, I think, it cannot fly.
Yes.
Yeah. And can you name a bird that lives in a water?
Bird. I think it is flying fish.
Flying fish?
Yes.
I don't know any of flying fish. I
saw that in phone.
Oh. But I don't know. But I know that swan lives in a water, right?
What?
Swan.
Phone.
Duck also?
Yes.
Duck. Yeah, I think they also, they can swim, I think.
Yes.
Yeah. And do you know what do birds eat?
Small birds are eat some foods we throw, like some grains. But in other birds are eat small fishes.
Right.
Like that.
Yeah. And do you know one of the dangerous birds? Which is the one of the dangerous birds?
Dangerous birds. I think pelican.
Oh. Okay. And there is one more bird that is very dangerous. Like,
I don't know.
that lives in a. I'll give you a hint. It lives in a, like, we can see that bird everywhere. Not everywhere, but yeah, somewhere. Eagle.
Why?
Eagle is a dangerous bird because, it has a very good eyesight, and I have read that when eagle flies, it can see the fish in the water.
Really?
Yeah.
But now also I think eagle is not hurt humans and eagle is a safe animal.
No, it hurt me.
Then
I was like, it hurts me a lot. Like when I when I go to my terrace, so they come and they snatch my head, try to snatch my hair, or I don't know what, but they kind of attack on me.
but when I saw that it was fly high in the sky.
Yeah.
And some eagles have a white neck. Some people have said that is God Vishnu.
Oh, I don't know about that. That white-head eagle, I think that called is bald eagle. I don't know about if it is.
I don't know, but some people are said. My friend also said that it's Lord Vishnu.
Oh. Okay. And what do you think? Why do the birds build the nest?
What?
Why do birds build the nest?
Birds are built next to live.
To live.
Yes.
And also for
they save their eggs in the nest.
right. And like it is also like when they want to sleep, when they want to take rest, they can go and take rest.
Yes.
Yeah, it is a very safe place for them.
Yes.
Yeah. So would you like to have a pet, any bird as a pet?
I like to have parrot.
Okay. Why parrot?
When I bought parrot, I talked to them and I trained them to talk, and it was also talk to me.
Yeah.
So,
right. Yeah, like you can talk as well. It would be very entertaining, right?
yes.
Yeah. So, Athira, I think with this, it's time to hang up the call.
Okay.
Yeah, it was a great conversation.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.